In this video, I will show you how to automatically mute background applications on Windows. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Background Muter is a free and open source tool for Windows that can automatically mute applications when you move them to background. This is a good tool to watch YouTube tutorials while playing games. Download it from its GitHub releases and extract the zip file. You can launch the executable file and then its interface will show up. The interface is simple, and when it is running, you just minimize it to the system tray. Now, open an application that has some audio playing functionality such as Game Window. Play some audio now. From now, when you open some other window, you will notice that as soon as the audio playing window goes in background, it will be muted. This way, you can use this simple tool to automatically mute background apps easily. From its interface, you can also enable the dark mode and enable running it at startup. It will start with Windows now and will keep muting background applications for you. Do not forget to check out other useful tech videos on our channel.